We know you love Amazing Clear Cast for tumblers, right? Crystal clear finish, mwah, fantastic. We know you love Amazing Clear Cast Plus for that extra UV resistance. But there's been one thing you've wanted from us for a while, and we haven't been able to give it to you. Until now. I'm talking about speed! Normal epoxies take, I don't know, 8 to 12, 24 hours sometimes just to get tack-free. That means one tumbler is going to take you 24 hours before you can do another one. Well, with Amazing Quick Coat, it's only 4 to 6, here we go, got my fingers right, 4 to 6 hours until it's tack-free. That means in the same amount of time, you could save up to 20 hours. That's more than half the time. I underpromised on the thumbnail. If you're as excited as I am about this product, then give us a thumbs up at the end of this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, learn more about Amazing Quick Coat, then subscribe. We're going to be putting out more videos about this product, so you have more to go on. I know what you're thinking. Jordan, are you just selling us a bunch of hogwash? Is this hogwash? I'm definitely from Indiana. Are you selling me a bunch of hogwash, right? You're just a company dude, right? You're supposed to say all this stuff, and I get it. That's fair. I'd feel the same way if I were you. So I found somebody to help us with this. Jessica Flynn of Flynn Sisters Boutique, who's an amazing tumbler maker. If you don't know who she is, I don't know what you're doing. You're watching a tumbler video, you should know who Jessica Flynn is. She's incredible. The tumblers she makes are awesome. I can't do that. I can't make as good of a tumbler as she can. That's just the facts. So why would I test the tumbler epoxy when I could have her do it? Enough from me though. Jessica, tell us what you think.
Hey there, I'm Jessica Flynn and I am the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique. And I am really excited to share with you guys my techniques for creating this leopard tumbler design. One of the things that I think Alumilite does really well is they make products that are super user friendly. I always recommend Amazing Clear Cast to anybody that's just getting started with glitter tumblers or resin projects, just because it's so easy to get beautiful results with it. And Amazing Quick Coat is no exception to that. I think just about anyone, beginner level to advanced, can pick up this product and get beautiful, crystal clear results. My second favorite thing about Alumilite products is that my epoxy always comes out so clear. I'm never fighting micro bubbles. I always get a beautiful, shiny, clear finish from their products. I've always been a fan of that. And again, it's so easy to do. You don't have to come back with a torch and come up with some magic formula to get this to work. For me, it works every time. And so for that, I will always be a Alumilite user. And this is just one more product to add to the lineup of epoxies that I really love from Alumilite. So if you guys want to see the full tutorial on this technique, you can head over to my YouTube channel, Flynn Sisters Boutique. We've got over 100 different videos on tumblers and different resin projects. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a new video. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And thank you to Alumilite for always supporting me as a creator. We've been using their products for over 3 years now, and they never disappoint.
Jessica, thank you so much. That was a very kind review and a tumbler that I could not have pulled off, so that was super helpful. If you're not following Jessica at Flynn Sisters Boutique on YouTube, you gotta go do that now. Throw her a like or a subscribe. She deserves it if that wasn't clear as day from everything you just watched. Also, Instagram, TikTok, same handle, Flynn Sisters Boutique, to check that out. And here's the thing, I feel like everybody would like a little 10% off. So we're gonna use Jessica's code. Flynn Sisters 10 gets you 10% off your order. And go pick up some Amazing Quick Coat. What do you think? Would you use this for a certain project? Has something been percolating in your mind? Let me know in the comments below. And until then, I'll see you next time.